It's right or wrong, but we've been playing this game for so long, and I'm tired of getting tired of life. Back to practice, now I'm headed